Hello everyone, a very good morning. Yes, so welcome to me and Matt children and a very good afternoon. I'm so sorry, it's already 12. Yes, we have Jenisha. Okay, hi Jenisha. Hello everyone, a very good morning. Hi Satish boy. Okay, and Arya Dipta. Okay, okay, so welcome to today's live streaming session where we are going to have a quiz on the topic of just a moment. One second, I just have. Yeah. So I was saying on the topic of factors and multiples. Okay. So children, I hope you all have had a good practice of this topic and you all have revised it well because yeah, very soon you all are even going to have a test coming up this week. Yes, welcome Viraj. Good afternoon. Hello. Okay, so let us begin since we already have so many children who have joined in. Yes, Satish. Uh, hello. Okay, great. So I hope you all are ready. Should I display the very first question? And all the best. Okay, read the question properly. And yes, try to solve it as quickly as possible. All right. So let's start. And here comes my very first question, which says, I hope everybody can see it. Okay. So let me read it once for you all. Study the given statements carefully. State T for true and F for false and select the correct option. Okay. So here there are four options given. यहाँ पे चार options दिए हैं. उनमें से कौन सा सही है और कौन सा गलत है? Which one is true and which one is false? You have to find that out and then finally select the correct option from A, B, C, D. Okay. अकॉर्डिंग टू द आंसर आपको जो आंसर मिलते हैं उसके हिसाब से आपको ए बी सी डी ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करना है. So yes, quickly let's start doing it. Okay, I'll wait for a few minutes till the time you all can you all find the answer and type it in the chat. Yes, Divyanshi, welcome to today's session. Okay, so I'm eagerly waiting for all of you to give your answers. Yes, but please read the question carefully, find the answers, and then type the answer in the chat. Okay, so you can take a few minutes to carefully read the question, ध्यान से पढ़िए और उसका आंसर ढूंढ के चैट में लिखिए. All right, I hope all my children are working on the question. Jenisha, Satish, Aryadipta, carefully read each and every statement, understand it, and then select whether it's true or false. Okay, we have Viraj and Rakesh. Arya, Divyanshi. Okay, So yes, children, let's not waste time and quickly, come on, find your answers and type it in the chat. I want answers. Okay, Janisha has given me option A. I think Satish also has given option A. Everybody is giving A. Okay. I hope all of you all have read the question carefully. आप लोग ने question को ध्यान से पढ़ा है. एक बार फिर से question को ध्यान से पढ़िए and see what is the answer. You all still have time if you all want to change your answer. So everybody has given me the option A. Oh my God, Viraj. We can just type it once. Not a problem. Okay, I can see that everybody has given the answer A. So let's start doing it. Let's start finding whether answer option A is correct or not. Okay. All right. So we hear, what does the question say? Study the given statements carefully. State T for true and F for false. Select the correct option. The first one says, we are doing the first one. Okay. Yeah. We are doing the first one. So my first statement says, if a number is a factor of each of the given two numbers. Let's say I have two numbers, that is, let's take two numbers, 5 and 3. Okay. Yeah. So let's take the two numbers 5 and 3 for example. Then it must be a factor of their difference. So what are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. And here also 1 and 5. These are the factors of 5. Okay, so if a number is a factor of the given two numbers, then it must be a factor of their difference too. So if I minus 3 out of 5, what do I get? 2. And what are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. So same, right? We get 1 as a factor of 3, we get 1 as a factor of 5, and we get 1 as a factor of their difference also. So this statement stands true, that yes, if a number is a factor of each of the given two numbers, then it must be a factor of their difference as well. Okay. So this statement stands true. ये statement सही है कि एक number जो है उसका एक factor is a factor of each of the given two numbers. Okay, दो number दिए है, उसका एक factor है, एक number है जो दोनों में common है, तो उन दोनों का जो difference होगा, उनको minus करके जो हमको answer मिलेगा, उसका भी वही वो factor होगा. So that is absolutely right. Yes, वो सही है, ऐसा होता है. Okay, so giving you the example that if I have two numbers 3 and 5, तो उनके factors 1 और 3 होते हैं और 1 और 5 होते हैं, तो उनका difference जो है 5 minus 3 2, तो 2 के भी factors 1 और 2 है, तो 1 2 का भी factor है, 1 5 का भी factor है और 1 3 का भी factor, इसलिए ये sentence सही है, ये sentence true है. Okay, now let's move on to the second sentence that we have. If a number is divisible by another number, then it must be divisible by each of the factors of that number. Let's say if I have a number 24, it is divisible by another number, let's say 8. Okay, so 24 is divisible by 8, right? So what they are saying, then it must be divisible by each of the factors of that number. अगर 24 8 से divisible है, तो जो 8 के हमारे factors है, what are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8, right? These are the factors of 8. So then it must be divisible by each of the factors of that number. तो हर एक जो factor है 1 है, तो 24 is definitely divisible by 1. I can divide 24 by 1. Yes, I can divide 24 by 2 also. I can divide 24 by 4 also. राइट, एंड आई कैन डिवाइड 24 by 8 ऑल्सो। तो 8 के जो सारे फैक्टर्स है उनसे हम 24 को एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, राइट? क्यों? क्योंकि वो सारे 8 के फैक्टर्स है और 8 भी 24 को एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड करता है। सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस आल्सो स्टेटमेंट स्टैंड्स ट्रू। ये स्टेटमेंट भी ट्रू है। ओके, so this is also true. So do you see in option A, my second sentence they have given us false, but it is incorrect. That is also true. So first is true, second is true. Now coming to the third sentence, if a number is divisible by another number, then it is also divisible by all the multiples of that number. Okay, let's say suppose मेरा number है again let's take 24. So okay, वो 8 से divisible है, right? Then it is also divisible by all the multiples of that number. 8 के multiples क्या क्या है? 8, 16, 24, then 32. Yes, so I have just written first 4 multiples. So 8 is divisible by 8, 24 is divisible by 8. Okay, is 24 divisible by 16? No, it's not a multiple of 16. So it clearly states that if a number is divisible by another number, then it is also divisible by all the multiples of that number, which is false. नहीं, सारे multiples से ये number divide नहीं हो सकता है, जो कि ये 8 से divide होता है, पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि 8 के सारे multiples से वो divide होता है. So it is false statement. It is not. Okay. Now let's move on to the next number. Let's next statement. I hope children you all are understanding what I'm doing over here. Okay, let me. Okay, coming to the last sentence. No prime number other than 2 is even, but every odd number is necessarily a prime number. This is very easy to understand. Starting with the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, these are prime numbers. But what they are saying, no prime number other than 2. 2 तो even number है ही है. Okay, so no other even number is prime. कोई दूसरा even number prime नहीं है other than 2. But every odd number is necessarily a prime number. मेरे पास odd numbers कौन से हैं? 3, 5, 7, 9. Is 9 a prime number? Is 9 a prime number? No, this is not a prime number. Right? This is not a prime number. So yes, my last statement also stands false. गलत है. तो मुझे क्या मिला? First sentence true, second sentence true, third sentence false, and fourth sentence false. So my option B is correct. Okay? Yes, Janisha. Then you gave the answer B. Yes, I guess because you checked it. Okay, correct. So I hope everybody's understood how option P is right. We have true, true, false, false. Okay? All right, great. So let's move on to the next question. Okay, so here we have the question reading like this. 4 mobile phones commence vibrating together and vibrate at an interval of 16 seconds, 9 seconds, 8 seconds and 4 seconds respectively. ठीक है, ये टाइमिंग्स पे वो वाइब्रेट होता है. वो सारे 16 सेकंड्स पे 16 सेकंड के इंटरवल पे, 9 सेकंड के इंटरवल पे, 8 सेकंड के इंटरवल पे और 4 सेकंड के इंटरवल पे वाइब्रेट होते हैं. Okay, but in 12 minutes, how many times will they vibrate together? हमें वो ढूंढना है. In 12 minutes, how many times will they vibrate together? Okay, so my answer options are given down over there. Quickly, let's calculate this and put your answers in the chat. Put your answers in the chat. Okay, I'm giving you a few minutes. Let's quickly find out the answer to this. Okay, Jianshi. No, this you have given, I think, for the previous question. Jianshi, yes, let's work on this and find out the answer. Yes, I'm waiting. So children, read the question carefully. ध्यान से पढ़ना, हमें यहाँ पे क्या ढूंढना है. Okay? And I'm sure सबको स्ट्राइक हो ही गया होगा कि यहाँ पे हमें कौन सा मेथड यूज करना है. So they have said they vibrate at an interval of 16 seconds, 9 seconds, 8 seconds and 4 seconds respectively. तो 12 मिनट में वो लोग कितनी बार वाइब्रेट होंगे, वो सारे फोन्स, चारों फोन्स कितनी बार वाइब्रेट होंगे. Yes, good afternoon, Ritika. No worries, the second question is on the screen. You can read that, try to find the answer and share the answer in the chat. Okay, children, a little bit quickly. I know it's a bit tricky question, so I'm sure, but you all can find the answer. अब ध्यान से पढ़ोगे तो आपको आंसर इजीली मिल जाएगा. Okay, so Satish has written the answer C. Okay, Satish, let's wait for the others also to give the answer. अच्छा, डिलीट कर दिया. Okay, Debyanshi has given the answer D. Okay, Debyanshi, let's wait for the others also to reply. Okay, and then we'll see. Just give me 2 minutes. Ritika also says D. Okay, now everybody's answering D. Okay. I hope you all are understanding what is the question and accordingly you all are answering. Okay, I guess let's discuss now. So here there are 4 mobiles that commence vibrating together and vibrate at the intervals of 16 seconds, right? 9 seconds, 8 seconds, and 4 seconds. Okay, so you have to find out in 12 minutes how many times will they vibrate together. So पहले तो हम इसका LCM ढूंढेंगे, right? At what minute they are going to all vibrate together. So finding the LCM, you get 2 8s are 16. 1 minute. Yeah. right? Okay, and this is simply 9. So when we multiply all of these, what do we get? Yes, everybody is giving me the answer D. So let's check. I get at 144 seconds, okay, at 144 seconds, they all vibrate together. Now they are asking in 12 minutes, how many times will they vibrate together? Okay, in 144 seconds, they all vibrate together. So 12 minutes में वो लोग कितनी बार vibrate करेंगे? So in 12 minutes, first I will convert this into seconds. Okay, so because my answer over here is in seconds. So 12 minutes equals to 720 seconds, right? Okay. Now, in 720 seconds, how many times it will vibrate? So to find that out, I have to divide 720 with 144. So when I divide, I get the answer is 5. Yes. So all of y'all who gave the answer D is absolutely correct because 5 is not there in the option. 5 का ऑप्शन ही नहीं है हमारे पास, इसलिए हम डी सिलेक्ट करेंगे, which is absolutely correct answer. Yes, very good, Ritika. Very good, Divyanshi, Arya, and Jenisha, and Satish. Okay. All right. So congratulations. You all did give the absolute correct answer. Good job. Good job. Okay. All right. So this was how we found out what at what how many times in 12 minutes did they all vibrate together? So they vibrated 5 times in 12 minutes at the same time. Okay. All right. Great. Now let's move on to the next one. This question reads as a number is always divisible by 180. Okay. If it is divisible by both 45 and 2, if it is divisible by both 36 and 5, if it is divisible by both 18 and 30, or all of these. Okay, these are my options. Now you have to find out that if a number is divisible by 45 and 2, then it is also divisible by 180. Yes or no? Okay, so quickly find out the answer to this and type your answers in the chat, please. Okay, and this is very easy. Come on, children. If I have any given number which is divisible by 45 and 2, then it is divisible by 180. If it is divisible by 36 and 5, then it is divisible by 180. Or it is divisible by 18 and 30, then it is divisible by 180, or all of these. Okay, Viraj has written B. Satish, 1. Yeah, B. Ritika B. Divyanshi D. Satish has written D. Viraj has written B. And okay. All right, children, if you all type the answer once, I will get to see it. Don't worry. So we do not need to repeat typing the same answer again and again. Okay, Satish, I got it. Zunaira Khan has also written D. Okay, so let's see over here what is the correct answer. Now, if you observe, They have asked that a number is always divisible by 180 if it is divisible by 45 and 2. So if you look at 180, 180 के factors क्या क्या है? 45 180 का factor है, yes. 2 180 का factor है, yes. 36 180 का factor है, yes. 5 भी 180 का factor है, yes. 18 and 30. ओके, अगर कोई भी नंबर 180 से डिवाइड होता है तो ऑब्वियसली 180 के सारे फैक्टर्स से वो डिवाइड होगा, right? If any particular number is divisible by 180, then it is definitely divisible by all the factors of 180. That is why the option D is the correct answer, because all these numbers are factors of 180. So any number divisible by 180 will be divisible by all the factors of 180. Okay. All right. Did you all understand, children? Great. Wonderful. So yes, everyone who's given the answer D is absolutely correct, because all these numbers 45, 2, 36, 5, 18 and 30 are factors of 180. So yes, they will all divide any number that is divisible by 180. They will also they will also divide it exactly the same. Okay, clear? I hope everybody's got it. Yes. Okay. Children, okay, let's continue and come to the next question, which reads like this. Ruhanika is organizing a party for 480 people and needs disposable glasses and straws. Okay, what? She's organizing a party for 480 people and she needs disposable glasses and straws. There are 40 glasses in a pack, 160 straws in a pack. Okay, एक पैक में कितने glasses है? 40, और एक पैक में कितने straws है? 160 straws. She needs exactly the same number of glasses and straws. 480 people है तो उतने glasses और उतने straws चाहिए, same, right? So what is the minimum number of each pack she must buy? पर एक पैक में 40 glasses आएंगे और एक पैक में 160 straws आएंगे, तो हमें कम से कम कितने पैकेट्स ऑफ ग्लासेस चाहिए और कितने पैकेट्स ऑफ स्ट्रॉ चाहिए ताकि मेरे 480 पीपल को ग्लास और स्ट्रॉज मिल जाए. Okay, so children, please start working on this. Okay, I'm waiting for all the answers in the chat. So understand the question carefully. ध्यान से उसको पढ़ो और फिर आंसर ढूंढने की कोशिश करना. Okay, Divyanshi has given me the answer B and Ritika gives me the answer D. Okay, so I'm waiting for the others also to quickly reply, then I'll start explaining. Okay, Satish also gives the answer D. Yes, Ritika, got your answer. You've written D, yes. Okay, Janisha now writes D. All right. Okay. So let's find out whether D is the correct answer or B is the correct answer. Okay. So now Ruhanika is organizing a party for 480 people. So there are 480 people. ठीक है. उसने क्या बोला है कि उसको एग्जैक्टली सेम नंबर ऑफ ग्लासेस और स्ट्रॉज चाहिए. तो 480 पीपल है तो हमें ग्लासेस भी 480 चाहिए और straws also we need 480, right? Okay, now we need total 480 glasses. So how many packets will we have to buy, right? So there are 40 glasses in one pack. एक packet में there are 40 glasses. So here if I write required number of glasses equals to, I will write total number, okay, sorry, packs of glasses I'm going to write. Okay, because we know how many glasses we need. So here we have to find out how many packets. So total number of glasses divided by number of glasses in one pack. In one pack. Okay. So this is how I'm going to find out. So I'm going to simply write 480 divide by 40. ठीक है, एक पैकेट में 40 होती है और मुझे टोटल 480 चाहिए, राइट? तो एक कितने ऐसे पैकेट्स चाहिए? So when I divide 480 by 40, I get 12 packets, right? So I need 12 packs of glasses. Okay. Now coming to, in same way, coming to find out the number of straws. Sorry. Okay, number of packets of straws. तो हमें straws भी 480 चाहिए, right? तो required number of packs of straws. Okay, it equals to total number of straws required okay divide by number of straws in one pack. Okay, so again total number of straws required is are for 480 and in one packet there are 160 straws. So when I divide them I get 3 packs of straws. Yes, so my 3 packs of straws are over here and the option D is absolutely right. So very good, my children. Well done. Whoever's given the answer D. It was a bit complex question, but you all have done a fabulous job and given the correct answer. So good job. Keep up the good job and keep going like this. Okay. So let's move on to the next question, which reads like this. Which of the following numbers is completely divisible by 9? Oh my God. This is very, very easy. Yes. Okay. No worries. So now let's work on this question. Come on, children. We are done with the previous one. Okay. No problem. If you've done a little mistake also, it's okay. But we learn through our mistakes only. Okay. So no worries. So yes, let's do this question, which is again very easy. You just have to remember the divisibility rule of 9 over here to make your job easy. Okay. Let's not do that long division and take too long to divide and find out so many numbers. You simply have to use the divisibility rule of 9. Divisibility rule of 9 को यूज करके हम इसका आंसर ढूंढ सकते हैं. So I hope everybody knows the divisibility rule. सबको मालूम है 9 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल क्या है, उसका इस्तेमाल करो और उससे फाइंड आउट करो कौन सा नंबर 9 से एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल है। Okay, children, this is easy. Come on. Okay, I already got an answer from Satish C. Satish says number C. Okay, Satish, let's wait for the others also to reply, and we'll find out in a while whether your answer is right or not. Okay. Yes, everybody is giving me the answer C. So let's check whether answer C is correct or not. Now, what is the divisibility of rule of 9? First, let's understand that. It says the sum. Okay, let's put it like this. If the sum of all the digits in a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Okay, in simple terms, मैं जब ये सारे डिजिट्स को ऐड करूंगी और जो ऐड करके जो नंबर आता है वो नंबर 9 से डिविजिबल है, तो ये पूरा नंबर 9 से डिविजिबल हो जाता है, right? So I hope everybody remembers. Yes. Okay, so let's check whether you all have given the correct answer. So starting from here, adding these digits, 6 plus 9, we get 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 8, 28, 28 plus 4, 32, 34 plus 36. So here the sum is 36. And yes, 36 is exactly divisible by 9. So definitely this number is divisible. But the same way we can check the other numbers also. So let's check this. 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 23, 3 plus 23 plus 4, 27, and 27 plus 8, we get 35. But 35 is not divisible by 9, right? So this number is not divisible by 9. Again, let's check this. 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 8, 28, 28 plus 6, 34, 34 plus 4, 38. So this is also not divisible by 9. And same thing would be over here. 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 9, 26, 26 plus 3, 29, 29 plus 6, we get 30. So 35 is also not divisible by 9. Only this sum was divisible by 9. That means this whole number is divisible by 9. So correct answer is C. Very good, children. You all have done a fabulous job. I did see most of you all have given the answer C, which is absolutely correct. Good job. My children are doing real good job. Keep it up. Keep it up. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So the next question reads like this. Two ropes 16-meter and 20-meter long are to be cut into small pieces of equal length. So what will be the maximum length of each piece? That is what you have to find out. What will be the maximum length of each piece? Remember, the the word maximum will give you the hint what we have to do over here or what we have to find over here. All right, children, quickly, we are taking too long. एंड थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी आंसर ढूंढ के मुझे टाइप करके दो. Okay, I already got the answer from Ritika. That is B. But we still have to check whether it is right or not. Yes, Ritika, we can type it once. More than enough. Yes, Satish says we have to find the HCF. Okay, we will get to know in a while. Okay. Someone else also has given the answer B. Yes, Devyanshi also gives the answer B. Okay. So I would say answer B is absolutely correct. As Satish said, we have to find the HCF of these two numbers, right? So because it is asking the maximum length of each piece. So now what are the factors of 16? We start with 1, 2, 4, 8, then and 16. Okay. Then coming to 20. So again here 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20 directly. Okay. So which is the highest common factor? We have to find the HCF, right? So highest common factor. So amongst all these, the highest common factor is only 4, right? I mean, it's 4, right? So yes, we will have to cut each piece of 4 meters to get the maximum length of each, I mean, to get the, to find the maximum length of each piece. Okay, correct? Yes. Okay, the first one to answer was yes, Ritika, and then Satish. Okay, so children, first and second, coming first or second, it does not really matter. What matters is that you gave the correct answer. Yes, children, let's look at it that way. So whoever gave the correct answer, that is 4 meter, congratulations to all of you. Great job. Yes, good job. Okay. All right, now let's come to the next question. Which, sorry, if the product of two numbers is 107, 1728, then their HCF is 12 and their LCM is how much? Okay, yes, Ritika, I did announce that you gave the answer first. Don't worry. And then Satish gave the answer. But I'm just trying to encourage all of you all. And I mean to say that giving the correct answer is what matters. Yes, even if we make mistakes, that is not wrong. We are learning through our mistakes. Okay? All right, great. So now let's solve this, please. This is also very easy. It has an easy formula that will help you find the answer quickly. Okay, once again, Ritika has given the answer and Satish has given the answer. No, sorry, only Ritika has given the answer yet. Come on, children, it's not that difficult. You all can do it. And this definitely can go faster. We have a formula which will help you all find the answer quickly. So let me write it down. The relationship between the HCF and LCM of two numbers goes like this. So HCF multiplied by LCM equals to the product of the two numbers. Okay, so that means number 1 multiplied by number 2. Okay, and they are HCF and LCM. So the HCF of these two numbers and the LCM of these two numbers. So we have most of the things over here. Yes. So let's quickly find out what is the HCF. We have HCF as 12. We need to find the LCM. And what is the product of the two numbers? We don't know the two numbers, yes, but we have the product. So I can simply write over here 1720. It's very easy, right? So LCM equals to 1728 divided by 12, which gives me the answer 144. And the B answer is absolutely correct. Congratulations to all of my children who have given the answer B. Okay, and yes, Ritika gave the answer first. So good job, all of you. Whoever's giving the answers correctly, the others, it's nothing demotivating. We can practice and still learn, and mistakes do teach us a lot of things. Okay, so don't worry, keep going, keep practicing, and keep attempting. All right. Okay, coming to the next question. Study the given statements carefully and select the correct option. So the statement 1 says a natural number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last three digits is divisible by 8 or not. Okay. And the second statement says that this number is divisible by 8. So whether both the sentences are correct, both the sentences are false, or one is true, one is false, that is what you have to find out. दोनों ये जो statements दिए गए हैं यहाँ पे, दोनों सही है या गलत है, वो मुझे ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करके बताना है. So statement 1 में पूछा गया है कि एक कोई भी नंबर जो डिविजिबल बाय 8 है, हमें कैसे मालूम चलेगा? अगर हम लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स देखेंगे और वो 3 डिजिट्स 8 से डिविजिबल होगा तो पूरा नंबर 8 से डिविजिबल होगा या नहीं, हमें वो पूछा है. और सेकंड स्टेटमेंट में ये पूछा है कि ये नंबर जो है यहाँ पे 9,87,648 is divisible by 8 or not. So find out and tell me whether it's true or not. Okay, children, buck up. We need to be faster. This is not that difficult. I'm not getting answers in the chat. Okay. Satish has already written A. Okay, Satish, I've got only the answer only from you. So let's wait for the others also. Children, think about the divisibility rule of 8. It's very easy. Okay, Debyanshi also gives A and Ritika gives the answer as C. Okay, let's see. Now here it says that a natural number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last three digits is divisible by 8. This is absolutely true because the divisibility of rule only says that कि कोई भी बड़ा number हो, you take any number, you just look at the last three digits and if it is divisible by 8, that means the whole number is divisible by 8. Okay, you take any number. Whether you take a number in crores, you take a number in lakhs, thousands, just look at the last three digits. Hundreds, tens, and ones digit. And see if that whole number is divisible by 8. Okay, if that is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. So this statement stands true. And now coming to statement 2, here 9,87,648. The last three digits are, as we just saw above, right? The last three digits, if you check, and if it is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. So if I look at 648, okay, 648 is exactly divisible by 8. So 8 8 are 64. Okay, and I bring 8 down. 8 ones are 8, and I get 0 as the remainder. So this statement is also true. So both the statements are true, and the option A is correct. Very good, Satish. You were the first one to give the answer. And good job to all my children who are making an attempt also to try to answer. So wonderful job, children. Keep going like this only. Okay, great job. All right, now coming to the next one. You have to select the incorrect statement from these four statements that are given here, which is not correct. Okay, the greatest number that exactly divides 63 and 84 is 21. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. The smallest number that is exactly divisible by 12, 14, 18, 22 is 2. And a number divisible by two co-prime numbers is divisible by their product also. So which statement out of these is incorrect? Read them carefully and tell me the answer quickly in the chat. Which sentence is incorrect? Which is not right? Satish, we can type the answer once and I will definitely get it. Okay. No problem, Ritika. It's okay. Important thing is that you've understood the question, and yeah, I understand by mistake you might have put the wrong answer, but yes, now work on this question. Come on, I'm waiting the answer for this. I only got the answer from Satish. What about the others? Ritika, Debyanshi, Viraj, everybody's Janisha, everybody's gone. Okay, Debyanshi also says A, which is incorrect. Okay, let's see. The greatest number that exactly divides 63 and 84 is 21. Children, why is this incorrect? If you look at the factors of 63 and 84, the highest HCF of these two numbers is 21. So this statement is right. It is true. It is not incorrect. It is correct. Okay. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Right? If we have any factor, then it is exactly divisible, right? It exactly divides that number. So if I take 2, so 2 is a factor of 28. Why? Because it can exactly divide 28 into equal parts, right? So this statement also is correct. The smallest number that is exactly divisible by 12, 14, 18, 22 is 2. Okay, so here, finding out the factors. So whenever we write the factors of any number, we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, right? And so on. So here also 14, so we have 1, 2, or 7, so on, right? So on. I'm not writing all the factors. 18 also will start with 1, 2, and so on. Then 22 also equals to 1, 2, and so on. So what do you observe? The least common factor, the smallest number that is a common factor of all of these is 1 and not 2, children. This is what we had to observe over here, right? It was a bit tricky, but if you would have read it correctly, you would have come to know that the third statement is incorrect, whereas the last one is also correct. So only the third statement, that is C, was incorrect. Okay, so option C is incorrect, and that's the answer to my question over here, because they have asked me the incorrect statement. They have not asked me which is the correct statement or so on. Incorrect statement is C, because the common number that exactly divides these all of these numbers is 1 and not 2. The least common number. Okay, the least common factor is 1 and it's not 2, because before 2 we always write 1 also as a factor of that number. So y'all get it? Yes, C is the correct answer. No worries, we learn from our mistakes. That is more important to children. I hope all of these questions were clear to all of you, and the concept of factors and multiples has been understood well over here. Okay? All right, children. So it's time up, and we'll have to wrap up over here. This was the last question for the day. So, children, thank you so much for participating so enthusiastically, and y'all all did a wonderful job. Making an effort to participate is all the most important thing. Getting the answer right or wrong is secondary, but the most important thing is that all of y'all participated, tried to find the answer, whether you made a mistake or whether you got it correctly. That is nothing to matter. Okay, so good job. Keep up